Hello friends, Leanna here. Today I'm going to show you what I got in my Dollar Tree haul. I've heard lots of good things about some of the Dollar Tree makeup, and there's a Dollar Tree maybe 30-45 minutes from where I live. So let's get right into what I got. I poured all the contents of the bag out on my desk here and it is covered with all the things that I bought. I will be doing a video with a full face of all the makeup that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I did pick up this lipstick holder because my lipstick holder is full and somehow I've become obsessed with lipstick and I keep buying it. So, I mean, you can't beat this for $1 at Dollar Tree. And so to put into the lipstick holder that I got this hydrating lipstick from LA Colors. It's got vitamin E and aloe vera in it, and it is in the shade Frozen Berries. That's a very, very pretty color. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. They also have beauty blenders. Who knew? Let's see if a $1 beauty blender is just as good as some of those that cost $15 and up. It's soft, but it feels a little dense. We'll see how that turns out when we dampen it with some water. Apparently I needed 2 lipsticks from the Dollar Tree. This is in Natural. Apparently I needed 3 lipsticks from the Dollar Tree. This is Wet n Wild. Says it's rich buildable color. It's got a silk finish, and this is in the color Dark Wine. Cute packaging. That's a pretty color too. Very nice. This has a little bit more pigment to it than the LA Colors did. So that's 3 lipsticks to go in my new lipstick holder. And I don't know, there might be some more in this big pile of stuff. I got a 3 shadow eyeshadow palette from LA Colors. This is Orchid. The colors are very nice. There's 2 mattes and a shimmer. This color here has a little bit of a shift to it. I don't know if you can see that on camera. That's a very pretty shade. And then I've heard of LA Colors, but I had never heard of Color Mates. This is a pressed powder. It's paraben free, and this is in Natural Beige. It says that it's a long wearing powder. Has a little half mirror in it. That's cute. It doesn't have an applicator, but I don't like those applicators anyway, so feels nice and smooth. I don't know if that's going to be my color. I think so. When I put it on the skin, I can't even tell it's there, so. And then just to be a little wild and crazy, because I thought it would be funny, and y'all know I like to be funny in my videos, I got these lashes called Feelin' Flirty. You see the silver in those? Those should be interesting. Wonder if I can wear those to work. And these actually have the glue in them as well. And then I also got these lashes. These are Ioni. They're 3D faux mink lashes. They're actually really cute. I'm not big on wearing false lashes. Sometimes I like to put them on just for the kicks and giggles, but these were really cute. They're not too out there, not like these. So I thought I would give those a try. And here's another palette just so that I would have some color to go with the other kind of neutral palette. This is Lotus, which is very pretty. This one has 2 satins in it and a matte. Those are very pretty. That blue, whew. And then they had this little small bottle of setting spray, which is super cute. It's perfect for travel, it says. Helps extend the wear of your makeup, so you can even set your makeup with items that you find at the Dollar Tree. More lipstick. I'm assuming that I got this one because it actually has lip gloss. It's a lip duo. It's called Clarity. Moisturizes the lips with color and high shine. That's a pretty color. They even had face primer. This is yellow, which corrects dullness. They did have all of these other colors. The clear, which minimizes pores. The pink, which brightens. The peach, which neutralizes dark spots. And the green, which neutralizes redness. and I thought that I would try the yellow to see if that brightens up my face. They have BB cream. This is Sassy and Chic Beauty Benefit Cream. It's light. They did not have a lot of shades to choose from. Multi-action skincare and makeup. The cautions on the back say it's for adults only. So I have not had a lot of luck with BB creams. Definitely is very creamy. Looks very light for my skin. I think it's doable though. By the time put some bronzer on it to warm it up, should be fine. Feels nice and creamy. I did not realize that the lashes had adhesive in there. They actually sell adhesive at the dollar store as well, and it's in the color black, which is nice because then it doesn't show. Kind of looks like eyeliner if you mess it up, which I am wont to do. They have eyeshadow brushes. I had no idea. This says that it's charcoal infused. That feels pretty stiff, but probably would be good for packing the shadow on your lid. And then we have blush. This is mauve, again from Color Mates. It has a little tiny brush, but hey, if you don't have a blush brush, one comes with it. I can see a little bit of sparkle in there. Feels nice and soft. Not a bad color. Thought that that was going to be a little bit too dark for me, but I think that that will work. Put the brush back in there. I don't want to lose it. They have volumizing mascara. If I remember correctly, they had 2 or 3 different types of mascara. We have a soft brown brow pencil, and it has a little brush there on the end. This is one of those wooden pencils that you sharpen, which I don't mind. So there's that cute little brow brush. I think that that's going to be a good color for me, so we'll see how well that does. We have liquid eyeliner. It's supposed to have an ultra fine tip for precise lining and control. It's in a cute little bottle. That definitely has a very fine tip, and you can definitely get a very precise point with that. And the brush is not stiff at all. That's pretty impressive actually. And then we have contouring stick. This is, it says it's bronzer. I don't know if that's the color, but it's showing it as contouring your face. That is very, very shimmery. I don't know how that's going to work, but we will see. They also have this contour stick in medium. This one doesn't look like it's going to have any shimmer to it, although it's very shiny. Oh yeah, that's much, much better. And then they had a bronzer. This is in Sun Goddess. That seems to have a little bit of a sheen to it. Feels really nice. This would be really good to use as an eyeshadow. And then they had a highlight. I have heard people rant and rave about this highlighter, so I'm excited to see how this performs. The name of it is Shine Bright. Yeah, that's very bright. These are really cute too, very slim. Be great to throw in your purse. So that's everything that I got in my Dollar Tree haul. I have enough makeup to do a full face, and I will do a video to see how all of these products perform. The other great thing about this, if you're learning about makeup, these would be great products to practice on so that you don't feel like that you're wasting any of your more expensive products. A lot of these products will probably perform fine. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money on makeup. You can go to the Dollar Tree and get anything you want. So I have my receipt. I spent $27 for enough makeup to do a full face, and there's enough product there that it will last quite a long time. With tax, it came to $29.15. So be on the lookout for a video doing a full face with Dollar Tree makeup. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope that you'll consider subscribing. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher. you can go to the Dollar Tree and buy yourself some makeup so you can be just as pretty as your mama.